So these magpies keep coming and bashing up Floyd, and they're attacking this baby magpie every single day. Like, I have to come out here 3 or 4 times a day to protect the little guy. Hey mate. So he's looking around for him. He's scared. See him wiggling his tail? That's his, oh please, please, I'm so nice, please be nice to me. Why do they keep bashing you up, mate? I can't just watch you get picked on every day. Look at him. On there, do I know you? Cause you aren't scared of me at all. You up there. Hey, he's only a baby, see the way his beak's not white yet. I guess his last year's. I know, my poor little guy, look at you. Oh, you just need love, don't you? You need cuddles. So I put this ladder here and Floyd climbs up. And I caught Floyd right where he was. So I had to lower the ladder. Look, Floyd hiding out in his cage. Door's open, but he doesn't want to get bashed up. Anyway, I'll go sort this out. You need some more food, buddy?